sort of third dish is a salsa verde. Salsa verde is my favourite sauce to have, and I have it with a steak, I'll have it with a piece of fish. I know everyone has it with fish. You can put it with your mashed potato.
It's just capers, anchovies, basil, parsley, olive oil.
Yeah, so you remembered it. So that's what we made. Anyone can make it, and it's very good for you. Lussmanns fish cake, oldest dish, older than you are, Nick, at Lussmanns this is. Salsa Verde, you're very quiet being my dish. Any reason for that, Nick?
I just keep going, let you have the...
Here we go, look at that. Beautiful.
Taste it.
Salsa Verde. Bon appetit. Delicious.
I'm not good.
Absolutely lovely.